Elon Musk has once again made headlines, this time by raising concern over a potential astronomical event with far-reaching consequences. He has suggested that Betelgeuse, one of the largest and most closely watched stars in our galaxy, is on the verge of exploding, possibly within just 2 weeks. Even more unsettling is his claim that the effects could be felt much closer to Earth than previously believed, with specific emphasis on regions like New York, Connecticut, and New Jersey. Betelgeuse, a red supergiant located in the Orion constellation, has long fascinated scientists. It is among the brightest stars visible to the naked eye and has shown unusual behavior in recent years, particularly in late 2019 and early 2020 when it dimmed significantly. This unexpected change sparked widespread speculation that the star might be approaching the final phase of its life, supernova. Though scientists have studied these fluctuations closely, no one had proposed a specific timeline for such an event, until Musk's dramatic 2-week prediction. This statement has stirred curiosity and concern, not just among the public, but also within the scientific community. While Elon Musk is known for bold claims, some experts have acknowledged that Betelgeuse is indeed unstable and could be nearing its end. Theoretical physicist Mikio Kaku has also weighed in, suggesting that the star's collapse could be imminent, although he takes a more conservative view and does not expect any immediate danger to Earth. When a star like Betelgeuse goes supernova, it signals the end of its life. After exhausting its fuel, the star can no longer resist gravitational collapse, which leads to a massive explosion. This release of energy can temporarily outshine entire galaxies. If Betelgeuse were to explode, it might become visible during the day and shine as brightly as the full moon for several weeks, or even months. An awe-inspiring spectacle in the night sky. Musk's prediction, however, adds a layer of potential risk. He suggests that the explosion might produce high levels of radiation capable of affecting Earth. This includes gamma rays and cosmic rays, which are forms of high-energy radiation. If intense enough, these could interfere with our planet's magnetic field and atmosphere, leading to disruptions in satellite communications, GPS navigation, electrical grids, and possibly even posing health risks from elevated cosmic radiation levels. Despite this dramatic scenario, it's important to consider that Betelgeuse is about 640 light-years away from Earth, a considerable distance. Most astrophysicists agree that this buffer should protect us from any catastrophic consequences. While the explosion will undoubtedly emit a massive amount of energy, much of the harmful radiation is expected to dissipate before reaching our planet. Nonetheless, the possibility of technological disruption remains, especially given our heavy dependence on satellite infrastructure and sensitive communication systems. Betelgeuse has earned its place in both science and mythology. Its size, approximately 700 times larger than our Sun, and its brightness have made it a focal point for astronomers studying stellar evolution. Unlike our Sun, which will quietly fade over billions of years, Betelgeuse is the cosmic equivalent of a ticking time bomb, likely to end in a spectacular and violent supernova. The unusual dimming episode in 2019, followed by its rebrightening in early 2020, left scientists divided. Some believed it was merely a result of dust or natural variability, while others saw it as a signal that the star's life was coming to an end. Predicting the exact moment of a supernova is extremely difficult. Betelgeuse might explode tomorrow, or it could continue shining for another 100,000 years. Still, Musk's remarks suggest that new information might be in play, something not yet disclosed or understood by the general public. If Musk's timeline proves accurate, we could soon witness one of the most powerful cosmic events in human history. Betelgeuse might continue its erratic pattern of dimming and brightening in the days ahead, leading to its eventual collapse. Should the star go supernova, it would become one of the brightest celestial objects visible to us, outshining even the Moon and offering a once-in-a-lifetime view of a stellar explosion. But with the beauty of such a spectacle comes concern. A supernova doesn't just emit light, it also sends out intense radiation. While the chance of major damage is low, it's not entirely impossible. Gamma rays in particular are worrisome due to their ability to interfere with Earth's atmospheric balance and magnetic field. These disruptions could affect satellite signals, GPS, and power grids. Musk's warnings about the potential for chaos in areas like New York, Connecticut, and New Jersey may sound extreme, but they stem from our growing reliance on delicate, technological systems. Most scientists maintain that Betelgeuse is too far to deliver a lethal dose of radiation. However, even lower levels of gamma rays or cosmic rays can have implications. Satellites orbiting Earth are vulnerable to radiation. Spikes. If they were to malfunction, we could face serious interruptions in communication, navigation, weather forecasting, and even financial operations. The systems we depend on daily could be thrown off balance by a sudden surge in cosmic energy. Cosmic rays are another concern. These high-energy particles, also produced during a supernova, can sometimes penetrate Earth's magnetic shield. While most are deflected, a few may reach the surface, increasing radiation exposure. This poses minimal risk for the average person, but individuals at higher altitudes, like frequent flyers or astronauts, might experience elevated exposure levels. Though short-term effects are unlikely, long-term risks like cancer can't be entirely dismissed. It's worth noting that not all scientists agree on the severity of a potential supernova's impact on Earth. While most expect the explosion of Betelgeuse to be a magnificent visual event with little direct consequence, Musk's warnings have drawn attention to the more uncertain and speculative aspects of space weather. What remains clear is that such an event would offer an extraordinary opportunity for research. If Betelgeuse does explode, astronomers around the world will be ready. Telescopes will be pointed at the star to collect valuable data, not only to assess Musk's claims, but also to study the intricate mechanics of a real-time supernova. Such an explosion could help scientists better understand how stars evolve, die, and contribute to the formation of new stars and elements. Although the star lies hundreds of light-years away, and its explosion is unlikely to pose a catastrophic threat, it remains a potent reminder of the immense and sometimes unpredictable power of the cosmos. Watching Betelgeuse go supernova would not just be a visual marvel, it would also be a scientific milestone, offering insights that could reshape our understanding of the universe. As we wait to see whether Elon Musk's prediction comes to pass, one thing is certain: if Betelgeuse does go supernova, it will be a moment that unites scientists and skywatchers around the world in awe. Whether it brings only a dazzling light show or subtle disruptions to our technology, such a cosmic event would mark a rare and profound chapter in our observation of the universe. We'll be keeping a close eye on developments, and if anything changes, you'll hear about it here. So, if you're fascinated by space, science, and the mysteries of the cosmos, make sure to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss our next update.